Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related to the paper attempting strategy, or I would call it how to utilize 180 minutes effectively in the examination. So in this video I'll be giving you few of my suggestions from my end which you can use to make your own strategy for those 180 minutes in the exam hall, and you can make sure that you are utilizing and you are also going forward with all the parts in the examination, because majority of the time the problem that the students face is they tend or एग्जाम के अंदर टाइम मैनेजमेंट ना करने की वजह से they are not even able to read the complete paper. So I'll be giving you few tips from my end. Before starting the video, if you're new to Botany Insider, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, download the application from the iOS as well as from the Android. So the link for the same is in the description box. You can visit our website as well in order to get the complete information, right? So first thing, that we have started off, or we have launched the registrations for the full course of the December 2023, and the pricing for the same is 4499 for the complete course. There is no hidden charges, there are no other charges for this particular course. You can download the app and get yourself enrolled in the same. The live classes starts from 15th of May, so you can download the application and book your slots over here. Okay, now let's understand about how should you target the upcoming examinations 180 minutes, right? Now if you know, in the examination there are three parts, part A, part B and part C, right? जो सबसे स्कोरिंग पार्ट है वो हमारा पार्ट सी है, राइट? दैट इज द पार्ट इन विच यू गेट अ 4 mark for a correct question and -1 for the incorrect. So according to my suggestion, or if you can take my advice, start with part C in the examination, go ahead into part B and then part A. It would help you lower down your anxiety level, it would help you to lower down your stress level in the exam, because part C सबसे स्कोरिंग है. इनिशियल 70 to 80 minutes के अंदर complete of this particular part. Make your mind at calm, keep your mind at peace and then move ahead with the factual thing, because part B के लिए you need to have a very peaceful mind, because यहाँ पर theory segment आएगा. So first should be part C, then should be part B and then part A, right? You have 180 minutes in total. According to what I did during my preparation, during my examination time, was 70 to 80 minutes for part C, then 30 to 40 minutes for part B, then 25 to 30 minutes for part A. You should make sure that in the examination you are having a very good track of your timing as well, because you have to make sure that your 180 minutes, in your 180 minutes time is given to each and every section. You just cannot sit with one section, you will have to perform in the other two sections as well. If you take up this particular slot, let's say 80 minutes for part C, 40 minutes for part B and 30 minutes for part A, you still have 30 minutes even after this. You can then switch back to other parts wherever you feel like, or wherever you have marked your question as review, or you have a doubt in a question, you can utilize your next 30 minutes in the same. If you follow up this particular pattern, I'm telling you, your paper is not going anywhere. You'll be very easily able to manage out your time, and also you'll be able to revise all the questions as well. फर्स्ट 80 मिनट्स के अंदर पार्ट सी को करो, उसके बाद 40 मिनट्स फॉर पार्ट बी एंड देन 30 मिनट्स फॉर पार्ट ए. Now in the examination, depending upon your own comfort level, अगर आपका part B strong है, so take 30 minutes only over here and add on 10 extra minutes here, right? In the similar manner, अगर आपका part A भी strong है, राइट. पार्ट ए स्ट्रॉन्ग है, सो 20 से 25 मिनट्स में ये कंप्लीट करो. रिमेनिंग टाइम जो है पार्ट सी को दो, बिकॉज मैक्सिमम टाइम और मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम व्हाट द स्टूडेंट्स फेस इज कि वो पार्ट सी के अंदर अपना सारा टाइम लगा देते हैं. बट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू दैट गो फॉर वेरी गुड टाइम मैनेजमेंट इन द एग्जामिनेशन. एक प्रॉपर पिक्चर, एक प्रॉपर इंटरवल लेके चलो एग्जाम के लिए, दैट आई हैव टू ऑप्ट फॉर लाइक आफ्टर 80 मिनट्स आई विल बी स्टॉपिंग माई पार्ट सी एंड देन आई विल बी स्विचिंग ऑन टू माई पार्ट बी, so on and so forth. So these things add on in your examination. Okay, so you can do it this way. In addition to that, I would suggest you one more thing, and that is how to make sure that you are attempting the only questions which you know in the examination, specifically in part C. जो majority of the time students को problem आता है, and that is they are not able to read all the question in part C. So how to solve out this particular problem, or what I did during my paper attempting time, for the initial 10 minutes of my examination, I scanned through the complete paper, the complete part C specifically, so that I can opt or I can choose my questions. See, for example, every single student have their own favorite areas. For example, my favorite area is plant physiology, let's say, for example, right? So, or I can say this is my strong area. So, how to make sure that I have done all the question of plant physiology and ecology and evolution? So, for that, you should utilize your initial 10 minutes. It might take you more time, so you should practice out this particular exercise. What is this exercise all about? So what you have to do, let's say, like there are in total 75 questions, and you have to make sure that you are scanning through these 75 questions. What you should do, before the initiation of the exam, you all get a white sheet, right? We all get that rough sheet in the examination. Write down question number, write down the type of question and the unit of the question. Okay, just make a table for the same. You need not to write down the complete sentences or the words. For example, 75th is the first question. Type is match the following. Unit is 1. That's it. Move ahead to the next question. 76th question. It is your statement wise question and it is from unit number 6. So on and so forth. Take maximum to maximum 10 minutes up till 145th question. Write down the type of the question and the unit from which you are getting that. See, if you have prepared very nicely, just by looking at the question you'll get to understand कि वो कौन से unit से है, right? So you can start to have this kind of practice, this kind of exercise from your mock test itself. For example, like अभी बहुत सारे students mock test को prepare कर रहे होंगे. You must be giving out the mock test. So initial 10 minutes के अंदर try out करो. Mock test में भी आप ये same exercise follow करो. ये exercise follow करने से होगा क्या? Within 10 minutes of your initial, like within your initial 10 minutes of the examination, आपने अपना पूरा part C scan through कर लिया, and within the scanning you got to understand कि 79th question match the following है और ये plant physiology से है. For example, you need not to search out for the question by clicking on the tabs again and again. What you can do, you can just look into your sheet which you have made during the initial 10 minutes, tap on 79th question on the screen and just solve out that question. I am telling you, this thing initially might look like it might take a lot of time, आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा, but I am telling you, have a practice of this. Like for 1 to 2 weeks before my examination, I practiced out doing this particular thing, because initially मुझे 20 minutes लगे करने में, but as and when the exam was near, I was able to reduce my timing to 10 minutes max. So make sure that you are doing this thing in the examination. इससे आपके initial 10 minutes के investment से आप आगे के अपने 80 minutes save करोगे. You need not to keep on clicking on to the question and then searching for your own question. आपने पहले 10 minutes में search out कर लिया कि प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी से कहाँ पर है क्वेश्चन, इकोलॉजी से कहाँ पर है, मैच द फॉलोइंग कहाँ पर है, बिकॉज मैच द फॉलोइंग सबसे स्कोरिंग होता है. सो ट्राई आउट डूइंग ऑल द मैच द फॉलोइंग इन द इनिशियल 5 to 10 minutes itself, right? So very important exercise, very important exercise to do in the examination. आपके ये 10 minutes का इन्वेस्टमेंट आपके लिए कम से कम 80 मिनट्स को सेव करेगा. जो आप पार्ट सी 120 मिनट्स में करने वाले थे वो आप मैक्सिमम 80 मिनट्स में सॉल्व आउट कर पाओगे, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑप्टेड आउट योर क्वेश्चन. पार्ट सी में सबसे मेजर प्रॉब्लम जो स्टूडेंट्स को आता है दैट इज सर्चिंग आउट देयर क्वेश्चन, एंड आई हैव गिवन यू दिस ब्यूटिफुल एडवाइस विच यू कैन टेक इफ यू विश टू. So if you wish to, you can use it in your examination. Try out doing that in the mock test and you will see that your marks in the mock test will also start to increase. So think about the scenario कि आप अगर एग्ज़ाम में ये करेंगे, आपके कलीग्स या फिर जो भी वहाँ और एग्ज़ाम देंगे, दे विल बी सिटिंग एंड थिंकिंग अबाउट कि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन सा होगा. आपको विद इन 10 मिनट्स में पता है कि आपके पास 145 क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से आए हैं और आप एवोल्यूशन का कोई क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप नहीं करोगे, इकोलॉजी का कोई क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप नहीं करोगे, विच स्टूडेंट्स टेंड टू लाइक रिग्रेट आफ्टर द एग्जाम कि टाइम नहीं था, दैट्स द रीजन वाई आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू डू. आपको वो रिग्रेट लाना ही नहीं है. आपको एग्जाम के इनिशियल 10 मिनट्स में अपने टॉपिक्स को सर्च आउट करना है, एंड द मोमेंट यू सर्च देम आउट, उसके बाद आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स keep on clicking on the question which you are comfortable in, keep on doing those question, and within 70 minutes, at max 70 minutes के अंदर या फिर 80 minutes, let's take 80 minutes के अंदर आपका part C covered होगा, right? Please make sure that you are taking this advice and it would help you out for sure. Take my words, it would help you out. Next thing is how many questions to attempt. So you have पार्ट ए, बी एंड सी. ए के अंदर 20 आते हैं, 15 हमें करने होते हैं. बी के अंदर यू हैव 50 इन टोटल, यू हैव टू डू 35, एंड सी के अंदर 75 में से 25, राइट? पार्ट ए के अंदर ट्राई टू गो फॉर एटलीस्ट 10 to 12 क्वेश्चंस. पार्ट बी के अंदर 24 to 27 इज अ गुड रेंज. पार्ट सी के अंदर try to have 22 to 25 questions because ये सबसे scoring portion है. So try going for maximum number of questions in part C. Now the number of questions can increase or decrease. Like in this there is no increment possible, but in these questions in part B the question number can decrease depending upon your factual नॉलेज, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आपके फैक्ट्स कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, कितने वीक हैं, आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चंस इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज कर सकते हो. आई विल बी कमिंग अप विद वन मोर मार्किंग स्कीम क्वेश्चन वीडियो फॉर यू ऑल. वेट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर वीडियो इन विच वी विल हैव अ वेरी गुड स्ट्रेस बस्टर calculation and you can easily lower down your stress while or before the examination. Okay, so this was about for this particular video. I hope it was helpful for you. If yes, do let me know in the comment sections below. Also do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are preparing for the December examination or any of your friend is preparing for the December examination, do recommend about the Botany Insiders channel, about our courses, about our website and all the other application and other features that we provide to you all for making your learning, for making your preparation easier. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck. Bye.